So guys, today I'm going to play Minecraft. I'm going to show you my creative world. What did I do in my Minecraft creative world? Just ignore the background sounds, please. 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 Sorry. So I have 14 words. Yeah, this is my creative world. I'm not a good builder, actually. So I was building a netherite, beacon. So just ignore this, okay? And never enter this room, okay? This is where I change my armor. Where I keep my secret items. There are more things that I took it. There are netherite, diamonds, everything. Look at this. Think this is subscribers. Then look at it. Go down. And this is where you can see my all secret bases and everything. Yeah. Let's go up again. Yeah. Let me show you. So this amethyst shard. And I don't have anything in this chest. Ender chest, which I already saw. Look at it. Don't see why this blade is black. This blade is black because I like black color. My favorite color is black. Let's go on. Let me get my book. So you got this huge black. That's my sister laughing in the background. So this is a movie. You can watch Netflix in may comment why this movie theater is so black and so bad. So let me show you guys my room. So yeah, sorry. Oh my god. That's just right from it. Oh, bro. Look. Go in these areas. These rooms are more faster than power drain. Guys, I know my English is not that good. This is my room. I think you guys are saying, why is it so bad? Why is it so ugly? I know, you guys may say, because I'm like bad at building things. I'm not that creative. Making a my another secret, but it didn't work. So this is my sister's secret. Wait.
No! That is not her, you nigga.
So wait. Oh, I locked it in the inside. So yeah, this is how it works. Press it. When oh my
I
god.
don't have any balls before.
Yeah. If bro, what is happening? Yeah, look. If you press it, bro.
That's definitely
It opens, right? Then we go inside. There's this. Woo! This is my sister's secret base because she likes pink. So like I put all the pink stuff in here. Like
What is
pink
this?
armor, pink beds, pink woods. Not all things are pink. Some things are brown. Yeah.
What's that happen?
So let me show you my brother's secret. I think you guys are thinking my brother's secret room is going to be the best. But no. I didn't thought of making that my brother. So I will make it another. I know you guys are thinking, why is it so ugly and obvious? But nobody's going to come here, so that's why I made it here. Yeah. So you guys are thinking, wow, a normal bed. I mean, a normal secret base. Special. Nothing special. There is special. Nothing normal. But this. When you break this bed, you get this door. When you go down, you go to my my ender chest again. So I have so many ender chests.
Now let me show you what this gate is.
Then we go up, close it to the bed again. So yeah, this was the video, guys. I might post a video like in 2 weeks or 2 days. Yeah, okay. Wait, and let me show you another thing. What the heck? How did I get in there? I thought of making a secret base here, but then I realized that how the hell I thought of like putting this buttons. So it's not obvious. But if I put these buttons outside, you have to put these levers inside. It doesn't work if it's closed. And then how does it will work? I mean, how does this will work? Not making a secret base here. Let me block this way. I'm sorry. Again. It's not that bad. I guess. So yeah, I'm done. let me play another game today. So this is don't think why did I say Minecraft video? It's not Minecraft video. That I said this is a Minecraft video. No comment. You said a Minecraft video. Then why did you play Roblox inside of Minecraft? Just ignore the background, please. So my wallpaper is a picture of Will. Horror for me. Wait. Yeah, I don't play Baldi. My sister plays Baldi. I downloaded it. Yeah, Roblox. So my sister is singing. So this is the game. Guys, don't please add me in Roblox. Please. Escape from the police. I'm things I bought here. So this is the things I bought. Okay, so let's go. Show the officers your passport to go in America. So I'm in Mexico in this game. Okay, don't think I'm in Mexico in this game. So look, okay, just look. Now I have. Don't think why didn't I go that. If you want to go that way, because that's the way you come. When you are escaping from America, you come that side. You come from that side. Okay. So now I'm going to show my officers. Oh no, my car is stuck. Oh no. The officers are literally crazy. Show my passport. Hey officer, look my passport. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, you're an agent. Yeah, look at it. Look at it. Freak. I'm cool, guys. I'm cool. In the officers. So, yeah. Now we are at the dream room. Then you have this yellow, I don't know what this sign is called. This yellow thingy sign. You have on your hand. So you cannot go to the boat. So then you have to go to this area. So yeah, when you get this briefcase, you have to come here and laundry your dirty money. We get those fake waters again, like we did the first time. Look, they are buying C4 because they are going to the wall, the border wall. So they're going to rob the bank. Don't think that you can just go to the you can go to the bank too if you want to rob the bank. You can. So let me show. If you guys are new, see this video. You cannot go to your friend's car. Rob the bank. Yes, we can. Stupid. Yeah, let's go. So guys, are you fasting? Because I'm fasting. Every day. And my mother and I always fast. So when you come here, you have to like put your C4 here. And hop in your car, then wait for it, and then you have to go. Like we are robbing the bank. Those guys are robbing the bank. I'm going to follow them because I don't have another secret. But I have to show you guys. Go through this side. You have to follow this path. Always. Remember when you are going to the so you have to go to the gym build and then to the bank. So we are robbing the bank like a rock and robin. Robin is from Stranger Things. Stranger Things. Now we have to go to the bank. I think they already robbed the bank. When you go to the bank, you see a vault. Oh, when night falls, you cannot go to the bank. The bank is like closed. Straight trooper. When you guys see like border, like there are teams. If you want to be a border patrol, you can join. If you want to be BOTAC, you need 78 robots. Oh no, 199 robots. If you want to be FBI, you need 79 robots. If you want to be US Army, you need 499 robots. If you want to be state trooper, you can be state trooper for free, just the join button. And if you want to be HSI, then you can say click the green join button when night falls. Like dude, literally it takes like hours. Basically camp is, I mean, that I'm supposed to I posted a shot where I live in Bangladesh. Okay. So I show you guys where I live. That's where I live, guys. So now we are robbing the bank. He placed a C4 here. No, drop. No, you have to drop. Let's go, guys. Follow the trail, okay? We have to follow the trail. And I think I one here. And I don't play with my brother. I'll just drive straight in like this. Wait, this guy is ruined it. We are going to. Let's just. Let's go. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh, here we go. Oh, yes. भाई ध्वंस से in this I will talk in every song. $13,100. You have to buy it again. Yeah. If you want to kill the you can also buy it. But not this golden eagle. Golden eagle. It's actually called golden eagle. You can only buy these guns, but not these guns, okay? If you want to buy these 3 guns, I think this time too. Oh man, I just bought a gun for nothing. Now let's go. Let's buy a C4, I guess. Yeah, shoot this guy. Shoot this. Screw it. Let's kill those. Okay guys, so that's it. Peace. Good night guys. And